Hello my lovelies, welcome back to another episode of Self-Care and Natural Hair. In Self-Care today we'll be talking about getting out of your comfort zone, and in Natural Hair we'll be talking about these finger coils. But first, make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss future videos, and you can also check out my last Self-Care and Natural Hair video. Anyway, let's crack on. I seriously underestimated how difficult it is to multitask. I never usually speak to people when I'm doing my hair, so my focus is on the mirror, but I'm still talking to you guys. And I start off this style in the usual way. First of all, I pre-poo, then I shampoo, and then I follow up with a deep conditioner. The products I used this time round were all from BOURN Beautiful Naturals. I will put links in the description. You can also see how these products work on my hair on my Instagram. Let's crack on. Okay, so finger coils and getting out of your comfort zone. How do the two relate? Well, let me tell you. Finger coils aren't something that I know a lot about. I've tried them once and only once, and before that I hadn't really considered even doing them because it's not in my capabilities. I can twist, I can Kenro, I can flat twist, I can braid, I can do all of that, but finger coils, I've never done it. I don't have a backup plan. What happens if it goes wrong? If my twist out goes wrong, bun it. If my braid out goes wrong, bun it. If my braids go wrong, do it again. I don't have a contingency plan for finger coils, and what can go wrong, I don't know what to expect. They're unpredictable, especially when you're not using gel. I'm not using gel to do these. I will show you how I do them. That's why I'm here. I just grab a section, smooth it out, starting at the root, twist around my finger, and try not to snag any hairs in the process. And then just continue to wrap around my finger. Nice and simple. You can use gel if you want to, but I personally choose not to. I don't really like gel in my hair. Maybe I just haven't met the right gel. Who knows? So, didn't know a lot about finger coiling. I'm no finger coiling expert, but you learn most from your mistakes. You don't learn from doing things right all the time. When I did my finger coils and they came out okay, even though I'd never done them before, I felt this sense of achievement that I wouldn't have got if I just did another braid out and it came out like another braid out would. Now there's one more style I can do, one more thing to switch up my wash days, and I got that from just taking a risk and giving things a go. And you're probably wondering, how does this even relate to self-care? Well, self-care is doing something for yourself, but that doesn't always mean treat yourself. The idea of self-care is that you profit from it, and that doesn't necessarily mean that you are pampering yourself. It means that you're doing something for the benefit of yourself. And if you're taking a leap of faith, or you're doing something that's going to challenge you or help you to grow as a person, then that is an act of self-care as well. It doesn't always mean face mask, painting your nails, doing your hair, or chilling and reading a book, or anything like that. It can sometimes mean taking a leap of faith. It can sometimes mean doing something that you wouldn't normally do so that you can experience something that's going to keep benefiting you thereafter. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to see how I did this part of the style, how I did the Kenros, like this video, leave me a comment down below and that will let me know that you want to see more, because if you want more, I will give you more. And in the meantime, you can chat to me on Instagram and Twitter at CurlyGalChlo. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any future videos, and I'll see you next time. Bye!
Start dancing, ho.